In a previous video, we talked about monster cards, specifically normal monsters and effect monsters. However, in that video, I also briefly mentioned the other monster card types. One of those monster card types being ritual monsters. Today, we'll be going over just that. I'm Fairy Tale Luna, and this is Yugiology. Alright, time to see what these blue boys are all about. Ritual monsters are a special type of monster that cannot be normal summoned. To summon a ritual monster, you must perform a ritual summon. A ritual summon involves the use of a ritual spell card. Remember these? We talked about these. Flaming icon. In order to ritual summon a monster, you must have both the ritual monster and its corresponding ritual spell in your hand. To ritual summon a monster, activate the ritual spell from your hand. Then, send monsters from your hand or monster zone to the graveyard. When doing this, it's important to pay attention to the levels of the monsters sent to the graveyard. Add their levels together so that they equal or exceed the level of the ritual monster. For example, when ritual summoning a level 8 ritual monster, you must send monsters whose total levels are Okay, all that math might be kinda confusing, so let me start over. To ritual summon a monster, you must have both the ritual monster and its ritual spell card in your hand. Activate the ritual spell card from your hand. Then, select monsters from your hand or monster zone whose total level stars are equal to or greater than the level of the ritual monster in your hand. Send those monsters to the graveyard. Then, summon the ritual monster from your hand. Ritual summons are treated as special summons, which means that they don't count towards your normal summon during your turn. And there is no limit to the amount of ritual summons you can do per turn. Fun fact! One time in middle school, my classmates and I were trading cards with each other. One of the cards that I brought was the ritual spell card Black Magic Ritual. I guess when my teacher heard me say the words Black Magic Ritual, she thought I was talking about summoning Satan or something, so she made me sit out in the hallway while she called my parents. True story. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to check out my other Yu-Gi-Oh videos, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Please support me. I'm currently unemployed and still living with my parents. Help me. I'm Fairy Tale Luna. Goodbye.